Boker Tov, good morning. We continue with our 3-minute daily dose of Torah. Looking this week at Parshat Chukat, which opens with these words, Zod Hatorah. This is the statute, the chok of the Torah. What does that mean? This is the statute of the Torah. So what follows, we should inform you, are the rules of the Parah Adumah, the red heifer. The red heifer, which is killed and its ashes are sprinkled with other things and mixed with other things, and then is sprinkled on a person who had been in contact with the dead to purify him. Says the Bechor Shor, Zod Hatorah means chok hora'ah. This is the instruction, the rule of the instructions that you have. That's all it means. It's not the chok of the Torah. Rather, it means here you have the chok, the statute of instructions here. And similarly, the Rashbam makes the following comment: "L'fanenu mefaresh be'ezo Torah hu medaber." And before us, it explains exactly what Torah we're talking about as you look into verse 14. Zod Hatorah, Adam kiamut ba'ohel. This is the instruction, these are the rules for someone who dies in a tent. So Zod Hatorah, according to these interpretations, means these are the rules, the chok, and regarding the rules that follow. Nonetheless, there is a read clearly, and that's more classically found in most of the midrashim and in most of the commentaries, many of the commentaries, is that we mean that Zot chukat haTorah, this is the chok of the Torah. So what is a chok? Let's start with that term first. We divide the mitzvot between rational and non-explained mitzvot. Mishpatim would be all those mitzvot which we have in the Torah that we could understand. Rambam points that out. The rules about society that we would have come up with ourselves, maybe a little differently. The details would be different, but we'd have all these rules, mishpatim, about not killing and taking care of things, whatever it'll be. Mishpatim fits well. Then there are all these ritual rules which lay things out. And then there's a narrower band which are called chukim. Those are the mitzvot for which we're told the explanation is hard to come by. And tomorrow we'll dive into exactly what makes this one called chukat haTorah, the biggest chok of all the Torah. Stay tuned. We'll see you tomorrow.